Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this video is all about what careers are associated with the planet Saturn in Vedic astrology. So we all know that planet Saturn is basically a karaka for career and professional pursuits. So wherever the Saturn is placed, that kind of whichever the zodiac sign the Saturn is placed, so you will be successful in those ventures wherever the lord of that lord. For example, let's say Saturn is placed in the sign of Libra or Taurus. For Libra and Taurus, the lord is basically Venus. So all the ventures related to Venus, all the businesses, professions related to Venus will be successful for you. And also another way of checking career is basically we need to see the 159 series. For example, we have to see the first house, fifth house, and the ninth house. Through that also we can able to estimate the career. And most importantly, D10 chart and also 10th house in D10 chart matters a lot in terms of understanding about career pursuits. Alright. So let me tell you, let's say if at all you have Saturn in the first house, let's say consider the place of Saturn as first house. From there, the fifth placement or ninth placement, you have Sun. Okay, then the political job, political career, then the government job, father's profession, and father's business will be suitable for you. Any profession related to leadership roles will be suitable for you. Let's say, let's consider Saturn in the first house, and from the fifth place or the ninth place, you have Moon. Then it represents transport, liquids, drinks, food items, hotel and restaurants, milk products, reporters, news readers, and a transferable job. And also doctors, medicine, everything comes under Saturn plus Moon conjunction. And let's say if at all you have Saturn in the first house, from the place it is sitting, Saturn as the first house, and Mars in the fifth house and the ninth house, then the technical career, machinery, engineering, police, defense, fire related, energy, iron, metal, gems, minerals, surgeon, and a dentist. Okay, these are all professions suitable for if at all you have Saturn plus Mars placement, if at all you have in the first house, fifth house, and the ninth house. Let's say Saturn in the first house, consider the placement where Saturn is placed, that is as a first house, and if at all you have Mercury in the fifth house and the ninth house, then any business will be suitable for you. Real estate business, real estate professional, and also teaching, astrology, intellectual job, accounts, business management, mathematics, and communication, writing will be suitable for you. Let's say from the place Saturn is sitting, consider it as a first house, and if Jupiter is placed in the fifth house and the ninth house, then the comfortable and the respectable job, teacher in their respectable field, education, guide, and a judge will be suitable for you. Let's say if at all you have Saturn in the first place, wherever Saturn is sitting, consider Saturn in the first place, and Venus is placed in the fifth house and the ninth house. Then the banking, finance, money lending, business, luxury related profession, shares, gold, art and music, builder, construction of apartments, all these professions will be suitable for you. And let's say Saturn in the first place, and for all you have Rahu in the fifth house and the ninth house, or in the fifth house and the ninth house. Then the secret agents, unethical jobs, share related professions, computers, software, graphical designing, photography, TV, cinema, printing and publishing, gambling, and transport business will be suitable for you. Okay, and if at all you have Saturn in the first place, let's consider Saturn, the place it is sitting, Saturn in the first house, and if at all you have Ketu in the fifth house or the ninth house, then the service to humanity, which may include spiritual, occult sciences, religion, healing, medical, pharmaceutical, law, and lawyer. So all these professions will be suitable for you. And also we need to come into a conclusion after seeing your entire birth chart. We cannot just estimate from the place of Saturn. Saturn is a karaka for the career, but what are the conjunctions Saturn is having? Which are the planets sitting in the 159 series has to be checked. And also D10 chart has to be analyzed, and D9 chart also has to be analyzed to understand about the career pursuits in Vedic astrology. It's a very broad subject. I have made so many videos related to career. Please do watch those videos also, and also do watch the transit videos. Recently I have made transit videos, the Jupiter transit, Rahu Ketu transit. So please do watch those videos also, because transits also plays a major role in terms of understanding about career and career pursuits. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you need my consultations, please book the link that is please book from the link that is mentioned in the comment section, that is in the description. So once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. Okay, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you are watching this for the first time, and also do share with your family and friends and with your loved ones, so that they will get benefited through my videos. And also, most importantly, do mention in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video, what exactly you learned from this video, so that I know that you are following my videos. Alright, so do let me know in the comment section and hit that like button if at all you love this video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my videos. My objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology, and all these videos are helpful for you to understand Vedic astrology. Alright, so see you in the consultation. Bye for now.